It's critical to understand that our bodies respond in specific ways to this kind of emotional injury. And the horrible feelings of humiliation will get regurgitated over and over again. So now how do we break this vicious cycle? Here's an exercise to help working when feelings of shame or humiliation come up. I suggest that you might think about, from your current adult stance, what you would want to say to yourself as an adolescent, what you would want to say to reassure her or him that their pain and humiliation won't go on forever, that they will survive it, and that you'll be there for them. So just take some time now, some moments, to envision yourself as an adolescent or as a pre-adolescent. And just what words would you want to say to them? What would you want to tell them? What would you want them to know from your stance as an adult, from your heart, from your being? And see how that feels inside. What kinds of sensations, feelings, images, or thoughts come up for you? So can you feel love for this hurt child, for this shamed, humiliated child? Can you feel love, caring, compassion? Can you also feel that kind of caring and compassion to that adolescent part of you? Because we carry in our bodies all of those baby, child, adolescent experiences in our bodies. And now what we're doing is we're reworking them so that we don't have to be stuck in shame. As you console your adolescent self, consider journaling about these feelings and thoughts and sensations.
Ruminate. The space between thought and transformation.